At magandang pagbabalik sa Good Morning Boss. Sandro, sino bang makakapanayam natin this
Yes, actually, ngayong umaga nga, mapag-uusapan natin ang League of Municipalities of the Philippines kasama si Mayor Manuel Fortes Jr. Kaya, sir, welcome po sa Good Morning Boss.
Good morning.
Good morning, and thank you, Sandro, Carla. Salamat at napagbigyan nyo kami naparito sa programa nyo ngayon.
Sir, siguro simulan po natin kasi alam natin na marami tayo siguro manonood na nagtataka kung ano nga po ba itong LMP, ang League of Municipalities of the Philippines. So, baka niyo po kaming mabigyan ng background tungkol sa League of Municipalities of the Philippines?
Okay. Ang League of the Municipalities of the Philippines is an organization of all municipalities of the Philippines. Presently, we have 1,489 municipalities in the Philippines, and all of these municipalities are members of this league, which is represented by their mayor. Sa ngayon, for the term 2013 hanggang 2016, nag-i-election, namimili ng presidente ang lahat ng mayor. And currently, ang mayor, ang president, the national president of the Mayor's League is Mayor Sandy Javier of the municipality of Javier Leyte. And we would like to acknowledge the effort he has been doing since he assumed as the national president. Currently, I am one of the executive committee member. I am the national spokesperson of the league. And there are sets of officers na pinipili din ng lahat ng mayor. These are elected by all of the 1,489 mayors.
So 1,400 plus mayors po ang kabilang dito sa inyong League of Municipalities. Gano'n na po ba katagal nag-exist ito?
Actually, it's been in existence for so long. Siguro, di pa tayo buhay. Andyan na yan eh. But this was institutionalized under the local government code na talagang mandated na under the law that there has to be a league of all the municipalities. Kasi ang member dito, hindi naman yung mayor. Ang member dito, yung munisipyo.
Yes.
Kaya lang represented by the mayor.
Yes.
Kasi ang mayor naman, every term, edi papalit-palit. So, yan, automatic by law that they are members of this.
Yes. Sir, paano po ba natin natutulungan kumbaga yung mga municipalities na parte nga po dito sa league para syempre mapaganda pa ang kanilang mga serbisyo sa kanilang mga mamamayan?
Well, isang mandate of the league is to link between the national and the local. Kasi we have the office, itong league na to, represent the municipalities, and this league is making representations with the national government on how to bring about na mapababa yung mga serbisyo that the national government is offering for the local government. So, like ngayon, the national government has this, tawag nila nung una, bottoms-up budgeting. Ngayon, they call it grassroots participatory budgeting. Ibig sabihin, the national government has funding. Ngayon, ano gagawin natin ito? Yung funding na yon will be given to the local on the basis of what the local would need. Sila magsasubmit ng proposal with the active participation of the civil society. Right. So the league is linking on this, on how this program will come about.
Yes. So ito, out of curiosity, aside from the budget program that we have, what are the other programs po that are under the League of Municipalities of the Philippines that we are currently having?
Yeah, we have several. We have several actually. And we have partnered with a lot of and developmental partners. We have a lot on disaster risk management, on health, on even in infrastructure, computerization. We assist other municipalities on how to implement these programs. The league, through the league.
Ayan, ngayon, Sandro, alam na natin, nagkaroon na tayo ng idea o background about this League of Municipalities at nalaman na rin natin yung mga activities sa kanilang ginagawa. Pero balita ko po, meron daw po kayong event, 2-day event. Ano po ba ito?
Well, it's starting actually today.
Yes.
It's the General Assembly of the League of the Municipalities of the Philippines. Sinabi ko nga, we have 1,400 plus members, and we have invited all of them to come over to Manila to join us for this General Assembly. So far, as of yesterday, we have 1,220 who have confirmed attendance. So madaming mayor ngayon dito sa Maynila. From all over, this from Apari to Sulok. Andito sila ngayon to attend this General Assembly. And this is again under the leadership of National President, si Mayor Sandy Javier. So everyone is busy, the national officers are busy. In fact, kahapon pa kami, the national officers have been there doing the planning. And starting today, ongoing ang registration. And then in the afternoon, they have breakout sessions wherein all government agencies will have their own booth at the Manila Hotel. For the mayors to go and to talk to the department heads kung ano mga concerns nila. You will find there the DOH, the DA, the DNR, even the DBM will be there. So all of the departments, the national agencies will be there to come to link with the mayors na pag-usapan nila kung anong pwedeng maibigay nyo sa munisipyo namin. Like DPWH will be there. We have some concerns regarding infrastructure. Pwede namin lapitan doon. So, in fact, this is record-breaking ang attendance. Sabi ko nga matagal na to. The National Assembly, I think about 900 ang pinakamataas. And this time, it's 1,200. So,
Daming
record-breaking
participants.
itong attendance ngayon. And we expect this to be a very successful event. Annual event ito, but this is what is significant here dahil this is the first General Assembly for the term of the mayors starting 2013 to 2016. Kasi on the next term, mag-i-election na naman ng magpipili na naman ng bagong national president.
Yes.
So ito po, saan po ba magaganap itong event natin? At ano po yung mga kumbaga schedule for the activities that will be happening for your event?
Well, as I've said, it will be at the Manila Hotel at the Fiesta Pavilion. Starting today, registration. Then in the afternoon, breakout session groups with the departments, with the different national agencies. Then tomorrow is the highlight kasi we have a guest of honor. Si
Ayun nga.
President Pinoy will be there. He will be giving a message to us and he would also administer the oath of the newly elected new sets of officers of the League. Headed, of course, by the National President ng Mayor's League, si Mayor Sandy Javier.
Ayan, napakagandang kumbaga organisasyon to dahil ngayon, mas malalo nyo pong mapapaganda ang inyong mga municipalities at ngayon po, pwede pa po kayo mag-usap-usap ng mga ibang mayors from different municipalities. So Mayor, siguro, please invite our viewers and any message po.
Yes, firstly, I'd like to thank the station, PTB, for giving us a chance to be here. And we would be asking for support to our constituents, our respective constituents, kasi halos lahat ng munisipyo represented dito, support for this event, and sana naman mabigyan nyo ng suporta itong ginagawa namin at maintindihan at for the national government na matulungan din kami in our effort to eradicate poverty and really help our constituents.
All right. Yan, nalaman na natin more about the League of Municipalities of the Philippines. At syempre, sir, good luck po sa inyong event and maraming salamat po dito sa ating show.
Thank you, Sandro.
Umaga. At
Thank
yan,
Salamat,
you so
Carla.
much.
yan, nakasama natin si Mayor Manuel Fortes Jr. from the province of Sorsogon, Municipality of Barcelona, ang spokesperson ng League of Municipalities of the Philippines. Thank you so much for your time.
Salamat.